Welcome to the latest edition of Immunology Updates, covering recent breakthroughs in the field, brought to you by Lucid Quest. First, Wayrilz received EU approval for immune thrombocytopenia. The decision is based on LUNA-3, a Phase 3 trial in 202 adults with ITP and a 12 to 24-week double-blind period. Common adverse events included diarrhea, nausea, headache, abdominal pain, and COVID-19. Rilzabrutinib is now the first BTK inhibitor for adult ITP refractory to other treatments, with durable platelet responses and quality of life gains that may guide prescribers and payers as full data emerge. Next, the European Commission approved guselkumab, Tremfya, for moderate to severe pediatric plaque psoriasis from age 6. In ProtoStar, a Phase 3 study in 120 patients aged 6 to 17, week 16 endpoints met PASI 75 and IGA 0 or 1, with safety consistent with adults. This is the first pediatric indication for an interleukin-23 inhibitor. The Commission also approved Saphnelo, anifrolumab, as a subcutaneous pre-filled pen for adult systemic lupus erythematosus self-administration. TULIP-SC showed significant disease activity reduction versus placebo on top of standard therapy, with interim safety aligned with intravenous dosing. This adds a convenient SC option that can scale access. In China, InnoCare received NMPA clearance for a Phase 2 trial of ICP-488 in cutaneous lupus. ICP-488 is an oral allosteric TYK2 inhibitor that modulates interleukin-23, interleukin-12, and type 1 interferon signaling. The program advances to Phase 2 in CLE as the second indication after psoriasis. Takeda entered a global collaboration with Halozyme to apply Enhanzi to vedolizumab, Entyvio, aiming to enhance subcutaneous delivery flexibility in ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease, with upfront milestones and royalties to Halozyme. Johnson & Johnson submitted a de novo request to the FDA for the Ottava soft tissue robotic surgical system. The filing is supported by IDE data in upper abdominal general surgery, and a second IDE was approved for inguinal hernia. The platform seeks marketing authorization as a multi-procedure system that leverages Ethicon tools and the polyphonic ecosystem. FDA feedback indicated that existing clinical data may support a BLA for sonelokimab in hidradenitis suppurativa without new HS trials. The package includes MIRA Phase 2 and VELA-1 and VELA-2 Phase 3 studies that used the stringent high SCR75 endpoint with mixed efficacy and a higher placebo response in VELA-2 and safety that was generally consistent. Finally, Royalty Pharma and Teva announced up to $500 million in funding to accelerate TV408, an anti-IL-15 antibody for vitiligo. The structure includes $75 million for Phase 2b and an option for $425 million for Phase 3. TV408 is in Phase 1b for vitiligo and Phase 2a for celiac disease, with results expected to be shared in 2026. Stay ahead in immunology research, like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info